In this video, I'll detail how to create a Microsoft account on mobile phone. So if you want to create a Microsoft account on your mobile phone so that you're able to sign into this Microsoft account on your Windows computer or sync all your account together, including your Windows and phone, then this video is going to walk you through step by step. While creating a Microsoft account, you need to make sure you have a phone number to verify the account. And you must have already have an option whether you want to choose at hotmail.com or at Outlook. So basically here, I'll walk you through how to do this. So the first thing is go ahead and open a browser. On your browser, go to google.com. Then on the google.com page, search for Microsoft. So here I'm going to search for Microsoft account. So once you search for Microsoft account, click on create account, which is signup.live. Click on create account, which is the second option on my page here. So once you click on create account, this is going to take you to where to create your Microsoft account. Now, type in your Microsoft email address. So here I'm going to use id.4a as my Microsoft email address. Then click on next. Now you see that you need to use either at Outlook or at Hotmail. So let's say at Hotmail. So it's two-way thing, hotmail.com. And if you don't want to use at hotmail.com, you can also use at Outlook. Is that? So it's that you choose at outlook.com or you select at hotmail.com. Whichever one you selected, then just go ahead and click on next. Then once you hit the next button, you should say create a password. Now you need to create a password for your Microsoft account. Then now I'm just going to go ahead, type in my password. Once you typed in the password, you can just click on show password to confirm it. Once you click on show password, you'll be able to see the password you typed. Then here you should see, I would like to inform tips and offer about Microsoft products and services. If you want Microsoft to update you about the product and services, just click on, I would like to be informed about tips, offers, and about Microsoft products and services. Here I'm going to uncheck this, then click on next. Once you click next, here you'll be prompted to type in your name. You can see what is your name. So let me just go ahead, type in my name. So my first name is this. Then let me type in my last name. Now scroll down, click on next again. Here, select your country and then your date of birth. So I'm just going to go ahead, key in my date of birth. And once you key in your date of birth, you just need to go ahead and click on next button. And once you click on next button, you'll be taken to where you need to prove that you are not a robot. Then you can see help us beat the robot. Click on next. Now, use this to face the same location as match the single here. Click on submit. Then when it's done, make sure your verification is complete. And once the verification is completed, hang on, then you should see your Microsoft account created. Then hang on a bit. After that, then you'll be taken to where to see a quick note about your new Microsoft account. Now you want to click on OK. And once you selected OK, hang on a bit as well. Then after a while, you should say stay signed in. Then go ahead and click on yes or no to sign out of the Microsoft account. Here I'm going to go ahead and click on yes. Now once you click on yes, you'll be taken to your Microsoft account inbox for the first time. And here you're likely going to see the welcome message, just like you normally do when you create a new account on any of the free email services we use out there or paid email services we use out there. Now, once you have successfully created your Microsoft account on your mobile phone, this is what you're going to see. Now, to access your mail, you can just hang on for this page to load properly or click on this menu at the top left. Then once you click on that, you're going to have access to all Microsoft applications. So you can start. This include Microsoft 365, Outlook, OneDrive, Team, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and then the rest of them. You can also click on more app to see more application on Microsoft that you can use with your Microsoft account. Now you can click on this profile icon here to review your profile and go ahead and read your mail or start using Microsoft email account to start sending messages. You see that? So that is basically how you can easily create Microsoft accounts in mobile phone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.